This is
for the kids, Miss Wellborn. It's for the children. Now we want to measure this water. This bucket is marked in liters. This is 11 liters.
Yep.
So we're going to pour water up to the line, and we're going to count how many 11 liters. We'll keep track.
10 liters.
20 liters.
20 liters.
20,000 liters.
Whoa.
10 liters. 30 liters.
30 liters.
40 liters.
40 liters. The last one?
11, 10, 9, 8, 7.
7 liters.
So that was 47 liters.
So that's 47 liters up to your head.
I was controlling my volume because I wasn't all into the water. But
Right.
it was 47,000, basically up to here.
47 liters or...
47 liters.
Yeah.
Yes. And so, Miss Stevens, I think, is going to be short enough that she can get totally under. I couldn't get totally under. And so, what do you think she might be?
Yeah. Record Ms. Wellborn's volume now, and if you'd like to, revise your prediction of Ms. Stevens' volume.